Hi! In front of me is VIVO T1 Pro 5, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Firstly, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access notifications. Now tap on App Settings, click on Most Recent at the top and select the best option for you. In my case, Most Frequent. Then just click on the blue sweater next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications. You can turn them back on the same way. If you wish though, you can always just click on one of your apps on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!